We're here with Mrs. Lorena Devia here in BB&T Bank in Plantation. How are you doing, Lorena?
Doing really good. Thank you.
Thank you for having us here in this beautiful event called the International Network Event in Plantation, hosted by BB&T in conjunction with our organization, International Business Council of Florida. We're here with Lorena in Plantation, this beautiful branch. I can see, I came here before, Lorena. It's a beautiful, well-located branch.
We are, yeah, you're right. We're located very convenient and 300 South Pine Island, Suite 100, and well, here available for anyone. The branch has been here for close to 5 years.
Already 5 years?
Yes.
Is this branch the closest one in Miami-Dade?
We
have another one closer to Miami-Dade.
Yeah, this would well, we have another one in Hollywood, but that's
Hollywood would be more close to the ocean, close to the East Coast.
Right.
This is more West Coast.
But yes, we don't have a branch in Miami-Dade.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet. That is a plan to invest and maybe buy another bank or join or merge. That's how we do in bank industry. You know, I used to tell people that in the bank industry we have no reputation because you buy. So you are bank A, you become bank Z, and you know even they don't know the name, but you're there with them because they get bought for somebody else.
But BB&T, well, hopefully we are here to stay, and we've been from a very long time. The history of BB&T is since 1872. So
well, you know what, you guys are over 1,500 branches, but let's talk about this branch here. My question to you, Lorena, is this: everybody is in the area in Plantation, or maybe close here, you know, in Hollywood or the airport here in Fort Lauderdale. Why they should bank with you in this bank?
I really think that we're different, and I'm not saying that just because I work here, but I believe that.
But she works here. That's why she's saying that.
We give a very personalized service to all our clients, and we live that through our commitments of being reliable, responsive, empathetic, and competent.
Okay.
And
Okay.
that's
Well,
why I think anyone should bank here.
You see, you should bank here. Anyway, when I call, I have been very, very bad experience in other banks. I used to be bank myself for many years, and when you open an account, you face a beautiful, lovely Lorena or Donna Marie, or other very nice ladies here in the branch. Then you will go home and say, you know, I got to have some. I need to ask some question, and I mark the number or 954 or other 1-800 number, and somebody in India answer my call. This really aggravate my temper in terms of first of all, we're losing jobs in the United States. Second, the person in India, or not anything against Indians, but the thing is they don't have the relationship that a bank should have.
That is absolutely right, and we're here to build relationships. And when you open your account here with me, you do get my direct line. So any problems that you have, you can contact me directly. If I'm not here, we have another relationship banker, or the manager, or even the tellers too. Anyone, you will get a person here. It's not a computerized voice.
Or somebody from Pakistan, India, or China.
No, you will get my card with my direct line. So.
Okay, if I call your number, you answer.
Yes.
Or if you're busy, somebody else, I leave a message, call me back.
Absolutely. We have what is called the sundown rule, and we will return your call by the end of the day. So.
Oh, sundown rule. Right, yeah. I like that, sundown rule. Listen, Lorena, the customers for this bank, what would be the ideal, besides the big customer, of course, the giant corporation, of course, everybody wants that, but the local people here, business here, what would be the nice customer for you?
I think anyone could be a good client. We do have personal banking as well as corporate or business banking. We have all the tools to help either a small business, medium size, or a big corporation. On the personal level, definitely it depends. We have so many different products and tools that can help you depending on which stage you are. It's really, we can tailor to your needs, and that's why we're flexible.
You do a original portfolio for me, is that what you're saying? You're going to build my business into your bank and help me wherever I need.
Depending on what your needs are, and everybody is different. So basically, you come to us, and we, like I said, we have the tools to help you regardless of the size of your business. So,
Lorena, we are of course, getting out of a very sensitive financial crisis in the world, especially in the real estate. I didn't ask you that before, but is BB&T Bank deep in the real estate? You help people that are foreclosures or bankruptcy because of this, or that's not your business in your bank?
We do have a section which is the loan. We do offer loans here too, and BB&T never really got into the subprime lending, so that and we're very proud of that. We're standing very safe and secure right now.
Oh, my friend, that's fantastic.
And
I have been over 50 banks being bought in the last 7 months because they were in that field.
Exactly. I'm very proud to say that BB&T is in a very safe position, and yes, we do offer loans here, and as well as investments and many other different.
And how about brand new business? Do you help brand new business owners to start up their business?
Absolutely, and I think they benefit a lot because of, once again, the personalized service. Somebody when they're opening a business, they like to be. They want somebody to be accessible, want to be able to talk to someone, ask the questions, and get responses right away. And that's why there's a lot of small businesses that bank here with us.
You know what? If you're in a bank with a big bank, 1,500 plus branches and offices in 11 states only, not all over the United States, with the 131 years reputation and credibility and work in the business, this is the bank to be. BB&T Plantation, Lorena Devia. And what's your phone number here, Lorena?
954-474-3808.
And the website for the bank is?
www.bbnt.com.
BB&T or BBT?
BBT.com.
I learned that before, BBT.com. Yeah, because I said, you know what? Not N, BBT. The bank is BB&T, called the best bank in town.
The best bank in town.
Come and see it. Thank you so much. We'll be right back. Thank you.
Thank you.